everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia.turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today I will be touring a charming 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment at prestigious and iconic The County Hall Apartments. If you would like to see more, keep watching. We are in a vibrant area of South Bank next to the Waterloo train, bus and tube station. Also, there are a lot of restaurants and coffee shops around. There is a playground and we are in Jubilee Gardens as well. So I want to say that there are plenty of attractions here which are most popular in London, which is the London Eye, Shrek Adventure. You have a new Paddington attraction as well, Sea Life and Dungeon. So it's amazing area to live in. This apartment is listed with Century 21 London Central office, and if you would like to book a viewing, just contact me directly. And if you would like to explore this apartment on your own, you can check a 360 virtual tour as well. The apartment is in the County Hall South Block. Upon arrival, you are greeted by a luxurious communal area. You have 2 lifts here, private communal garden and also staircase. All residents of County Hall Apartments can enjoy this peaceful and quiet courtyard, which is private, and also swimming pool, sauna, gym, spa, and there is a 24-hour concierge. You have also 2 lifts which will take you to your flat. We are on the 4th floor and this generously sized apartment has 715 square feet. This apartment is west orientated and is overlooking a private courtyard. The living room is very bright due to large windows with a secondary glazing, and even when we are next to the London Eye where you have a lot of tourists and busy lifestyle, it's very peaceful here and quiet. Living room is very spacious, and as you can see, you have an extra space here. Maybe I will use it for some extra sofa chair where you can just sit down and relax, maybe check your emails or something like that. Or you can use it for some extra bookshelf or just for your decoration. Probably I will put TV here so you can have like cinema space. And then living room is connected to a dining area. Even though the dining area is still part of living room, is still spacious, and you can fit around this round table even 5 chairs. And what I really love today is actually that I'm matching with this beautiful pink rose, which gives me a spring vibes and good energy. Next to the dining area is separate kitchen, which is behind this, I would say, partition wall. So definitely speak with your architect if it's possible to remove it, and maybe you can connect open plan kitchen and dining living space. Leave me in the comments down below if you prefer to live in the open plan living room and kitchen, or do you prefer to have a separate kitchen. Throughout the apartment you have wooden floors, and in the bedrooms you have carpets. Let me start in the principal bedroom. This principal bedroom has a very good size and is really spacious. You have large windows here with secondary glazing as well, and wardrobes, large king-size bed. I can imagine to have an extra table here, maybe as a makeup dressing area or probably like a study. The principal bedroom has ensuite bathroom with the bathtub, and let me show you around. Perfect mirror which is enlarging your bathroom, and you have a lot of space here for your cosmetics, so you can do a lot of skincare here and then you can jump into your bath. Next to the principal bedroom you have a second double bedroom with a large king-size bed, as well storage like a chest of drawers and wardrobes. And what I really love about this apartment are those large windows. Today we have a great weather, finally it's sunshine in London, so you can see how bright apartment is. Let me take you to the modern kitchen. The kitchen has built-in appliances. Let's start with the fridge freezer. You have a hob and oven, extractor hood. There is a microwave as well. You have a lot of storage here. Then there is a washer dryer and you have dishwasher. At the moment here is a breakfast area, but as I mentioned already, I can imagine to basically remove this wall and then to connect it to the open plan living area and the kitchen. What do you think? I think it will be amazing. Let me take you to the bathroom. Family bathroom is opposite of kitchen. There is a mirror so I can see myself walking through the both rooms. However, the family bathroom has a shower, sink and toilet. Next to the family bathroom, you have a mega flow boiler and utility room. This apartment is being sold with secured underground parking space and is listed with Century 21 London Central office. If you'd like to book a viewing, contact me directly, and if you'd like to know more, just check the description box. If you prefer to explore this apartment on your own, you can also check out 360 virtual tour here in the description box as well. I will leave you all the links there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!